What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Joel Embiid from the Philadelphia 76ers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top. Work our way. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle, all the way down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we'll start up against the edge of the eye. So we'll draw that circle coming in and then back out. And then we'll line that up on the right, drawing that same size circle. And then we'll fill the outside of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now I'm going to move back to the center and draw a curve for the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left. I'm going to curve this down in the middle, and we'll bend that up. Let's move up in the center and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. We'll start on the left, bend this up, and then come down on the inside, and then we'll line that up on the right. Let's go back to the inside of the eyebrow, angle this up and in. That's going to taper the eyebrow, going across and then down towards the outside. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now from the bottom of the nose, let's step down and draw the edge of the mouth, starting over on the left, curve this up and then down. Now let's draw on the upper lip. In the center, step up, start with a point. From this point, we're going to curve this up towards the left, and then down towards the corner of the mouth. Go back to the center, go up towards the right, and then bend that down. Now to connect the corners of the mouth with the lower lip, coming down the middle, and we'll bend that up. Now move out to the side and draw the beard coming down and then in towards the middle. Let's start on the left side, step out. It's going to come down, round up the cheek, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Now you want to draw the top edge of the mustache and beard. Let's start from the left side of the nose, curve around the mouth, and come down. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, it's going to bend this out, and then up towards the side of the head. Let's go back to the corners of the mouth. We're going to bend this down, round this out, and then go up. And then we'll add a small V just underneath the lip in the middle. Let's fill the beard and that centerpiece in black. Let's go back to the side of the head and work our way across the hairline. Let's start on the left. And go up, and then bend that in, just around the eyebrows. And then from here, bend this up and in with a short curve toward the top of the head. And we'll close off the center with a curve going up from the left, and we'll bend that back down. Now we move up to the side of the head and draw on the ears. Let's start over on the left, then the ear going up, come around, and then pull that in towards the side of the head, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold along the top of the side, hook this around and back in. Now we're going to draw on the outside of the hair. Let's start on top of the left ear. We're going to draw a series of right about there. Let's go over to the right and do the same thing. Back down towards the right. So again, just adding some larger curls and some smaller ones. We're just going to start to flatten off the top. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Let's move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And we'll connect the hips with the curve, going down the middle, and that in towards the side. Bend this out, and then up, both sides. I'm just going to trace this along the top. Side, go all the way around, and then out. Let's move over and draw the number 1. Now I'm also going to add a small Nike swoosh along the top left. Come all the way around and then up. Trace out the top. Now let's move back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Then we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the side and round out the top of the foot. And go up. Now let's bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And we just want to curl that back up on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the left hip. Bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add some detail to the feet. Let's start by adding a thick sole along the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across. Let's add a trim along the heel, starting from the top, bend this down, and blend that out. Now we're going to draw the edge of the laces, starting from the outside of the foot, bend this in and then down, curve this up and in towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to add the tongue of the shoe along the top of the foot. Curve this up and then bring that down. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the edge of the shorts, bending this down and in, and line that up on the right. And we're also going to add a stripe on the side of the shorts. From the hip, step in, just follow that curve coming down. And now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We'll start halfway down the side of the body, so starting right here, draw the inside edge, going out and then down towards the wrist, and then line it up on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to wrap 3 fingers along the bottom, starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down around that bracket, and then bend that up. Step down, go out, and then up with the second finger. And then the third finger, I'm just going to go all the way around. New lessons every single day, and if you want to draw some more NBA players, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.